Hey guys, what is up? It's Dark Horse 441 here, and today I'm going to show you a solution to the http://euroadexchange.com/gateway adware virus, which seems to slip on certain computers. The exact effects of this virus are not yet known, though it is believed that it may steal certain passwords, certain online data, and make your computer run more slowly. So to get rid of it, this is what I did. First of all, I looked up on the internet, and I found certain sites like this one, My TechMate blog, blah blah blah. And there usually are lots of sites like this, something like Fix My Virus or removeadware.blogspot. I don't know what these are, whether or not they're trolls or related to the virus themselves, but if you read down, they actually tell you to disable your proxy settings, terminate processes such as explorer.exe, and delete really important files like explorer.exe. These are the files that control your start menu, your taskbar, and your files. So you probably don't want to delete those files. Anyway, I don't know what these guys want, but I don't recommend following them. If you want a short-term fix to your problem, you're going to want to download a program called Process Blocker. Now what this does is whenever your Internet Explorer opens with the Your Ad Exchange link, you can just block Internet Explorer and it won't open. So this obviously will work for just about any software or whatever that may be malicious on your computer. It can block just about anything. So yeah, I'm gonna hit the download button, and then you're gonna select whether you want your 32-bit or your 64-bit version, and you're gonna download and install that. So once that's downloaded and installed, it's gonna look something like this. You'll find it here in All Programs, in Process Blocker, Configure Process Blocker, and you're gonna run it as administrator. So as you can see here, I'm blocking Internet Explorer. So what you're going to do is press Add, Browse, then you're going to go into your C drive. It's usually your C drive. It may change from computer to computer. Program files .86, Internet Explorer, and then iExplorer.exe. And then you're going to hit Open. So then it's going to look something like this. You're going to click on it, press Edit, and you're going to make sure that Block Other Applications with Identical CRC is checked. So this will work if you've got a weird version of Internet Explorer which may be open for some reason, and I don't know why exactly it would, but this generally should work for blocking Internet Explorer. Unfortunately, this will also block Internet Explorer if you actually want to use it, though I don't see why you would. So I recommend you get an antivirus software like Norton, 360, or McAfee. Now, if you don't have one of these, that's understandable. We don't all have the money to buy an antivirus, and those can be expensive. But these do offer a 30-day trial, so go ahead. You can download that and then use it, run your antivirus, and then you can uninstall it later. If, however, you're really poor or you're cheap, you can go to the site I've included in the description, go to arena.com. Now what this is a site that sells CD keys from games and software, which is basically in a game or software there is a key included to activate your software online without needing a CD. So you can do this on Steam Origin, Xbox 360 Arcade, and here this tab is Sysmantec or Norton Antivirus. So as you can see here, there's a difference between 35 euros to 10 euros for Norton Antivirus, 1 PC, 20-month CD key. So if you're cheap and you want cheap games and software, you can go to this site. So once you've downloaded whichever software, run the antivirus, and these softwares are really good at getting big viruses, and Norton is especially good at blocking any viruses that you might download. Now, what these are not necessarily good at is getting rid of adware, spyware, and just generally annoying stuff. So what you're going to do for that is get Malwarebytes. So you're going to go to the site, get the free version download, and then what you're going to do is once you've got the software installed, and you should by now be running your Norton 360 or McAfee antivirus scan and delete mechanism, whatever. So now you can run Malwarebytes Anti-Malware, which, unlike Norton McAfee, this will work with another antivirus, while Norton and McAfee won't work if both are installed on the same computer. One will delete the other. So anyway, here we are. We're starting Malwarebytes Anti-Malware, and you're going to either perform a quick scan or a full scan. I'm going to just perform a full scan and then go. Yeah, just select your C drive to scan, or your whatever drive. If you want to scan any external drives or other hard drive partitions, also select those and just hit scan. And this is probably going to take a few hours, but trust me, this is really good for getting rid of adware. Afterwards, it's going to show you a list of everything, of all the viruses and adware it's found. Just check all of them and then delete them. Well, so normally, if you've done all of this correctly, the analytics.youratexchange.com site won't keep popping up, and your computer will hopefully be rid of this adware. Now, I'm not sure if it completely gets rid of the adware, but it definitely seems to stop the cookie or whatever it is that keeps the thing from popping up. Also, if somehow this installed anything negative in your browser, such as Google Chrome, you're going to want to go into Settings, which takes some time. And so there's some things you might want to do. For example, if it's changed your search engine, you're going to go down here to Search, Manage Search Engines, and then you're going to click back on Google. And otherwise, you can go down here. You can change your proxy settings if for some reason your proxy isn't working anymore. And then finally, you can go up here to Privacy, Content Settings, and then All Cookies and Site Data, and then you just hit Remove All, and that will delete all your cookies. So if for some reason your Google Chrome has been modified by this adware, do the last two steps. Otherwise, the antivirus should work. So yeah, just to summarize, for a quick fix, download Process Blocker to make sure the app doesn't go on again. For an in-depth scrubbing of your computer, you're going to run Norton or McAfee. To get rid of all the little adware in your computer, which most likely includes the Analytics Your Ad Exchange, run Malwarebytes. And remember, if you need a CD key for actually just about any game, but in our case we want Norton 360, make sure to check out gotoarena.com. Believe me, it's 100% reliable and you will not regret it. So that's how to get rid of the http://analytics.youratexchange.com/gateway. If you have any questions, post in the comments below, and I will see you guys later.